The overall goal of this procedure is to evaluate changes in anesthetic sensitivity after a pharmacological intervention. This is accomplished by first carefully checking the exposure chambers to ensure uniform gas flow and temperature. The second step is to habituate animals to the chambers. Next, the pharmacological intervention of interest is performed. The final step is to assess changes in anesthetic sensitivity by evaluating the animal's writing reflex in response to anesthetic exposure. Ultimately, writing reflex assays are used to show differences in anesthetic sensitivity caused by long or short-acting pharmacological interventions.
Though this system can provide insight into changes in anesthetic sensitivity in mice, it can also be used in a variety of species to study the effects of any inhaled therapeutic.
The testing apparatus consists of 24 clear acrylic cylindrical chambers, 10 centimeters in length and 5 centimeters in diameter. This size is appropriate for a typical 25-gram adult mouse. Every chamber has a port at each end for gas inlet and outlet. The outlet end is sealed with rubber gaskets to make it easy to remove for animal insertion. Mount each chamber on a rack that sits inside a water bath. Place the rack so that only the lower portion of the chambers will be submerged. A support on the back end of the chamber provides stability and keeps the chambers horizontal, ensuring even contact.